Charlie, it's been a long time. Nti ma be ma me tease at cook a wagashi be yetre. Se unni wagashi na se wo eyemade anata wo me pe ma me free. Sisi a me ya alaji me kanda form. Me sika se maba nti furu me se 3. Me na me ya frɛ me ya alaji ato me se respect me mpre. Hamza ma me buta menya alowala. Jalabia no nso me hata no waha. Zongo abrabo makoya alaji obi ade ne hawo yesi alaji waba. Masalachi bi na yebesi a yesi bue. Amelia keke sisi amedi mesue suna mpo de yenka ye hye da atwa me invite say ye yi akola bi apue enwumre ye ntwen sala ansa ya chele ye pe burkina ataya bi a chele e ma no mungu ma ya fi no Aisha squad no boy he dancers mon kele mente ko Charlie, I want to use this medium to wish all Muslims in Ghana and the world at large a happy Ramadan. Charlie, although coronavirus day, we stay safe. We dey play safe, Charlie. We could just do your house and chill for your house. You understand? Yeah, so Charlie, from return suspension to all Muslims in Ghana and across the world, Charlie. Mente kwa.